The June 2025 release is here, and it's packed with features that make automation smoother, smarter, and more flexible, all while keeping things simple for everyone. Let's dive right in. Mistakes happen. Now, deleted Swift objects go to the recycle bin, where you can restore them anytime, no stress, no lost work. When users take action on a form, the list now refreshes instantly. Just enable the Reload List option when setting up your direct actions. Pinpoint workflow issues faster. Search logs by incoming data, requests, or outputs, then export results for deeper analysis. Save time on data entry by enabling data import to fill grids instantly. Let users import data straight from Excel into Swift objects, complete with downloadable templates for error-free uploads. That wraps up our April 2025 release. Before you go, here's a pro tip from our power users. Combine the new Direct Action Reload with grid rules and customizable search to create seamless end-to-end workflows that feel like magic to your users. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing with Swift.